There's a really easy way to check for low stomach acid that you can do at home. So what you can do is you can get baking soda. You do like a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and 4 to 6 ounces of cold water. First thing in the morning before you eat or drink anything else, you drink this baking soda and water and see how long it takes for you to have a really good burp or, a belch. And wait up to 5 minutes. So if you haven't burped in 5 minutes, that is a sign of insufficient stomach acid production, because baking soda is bicarbonate, sodium bicarb. It's very basic on the pH scale. And stomach acid is hydrochloric acid. It's very acidic. And so they're supposed to balance each other out. And so if you don't burp or belch, you haven't created that chemical reaction necessary. And so I would say do this at least 2 or 3 times, 2 or 3 mornings to see, am I really not burping, within 3 to 5 minutes? And don't confuse that with like the little burps or feelings that you would get just from drinking it. That, once you first drink it, you might feel little burps of swallowed air, that type of thing. You're looking for like a real burp or belch, in 3 to 5 minutes. So that is your poor man's test or woman's test of how you can see if you have sufficient stomach acid. So that's really important to know. With my patients, I often see low stomach acid look like gut dysbiosis on stool tests. So major H. pylori overgrowth, staph, strep, bacillus, all these species that are supposed to be at lower levels, like they get out of control because there's no acid to kill them off. Same with yeast or candida. So that's another thing to look for, is if you're having recurrent yeast infections and that type of thing, then it could very well be low stomach acid.